Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable checkboxes in Yahoo Mail app. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I'm gonna show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, let's open the app. Top to the left top where is a button with 3 lines. This opens the main page. Search for the settings button and open it. In the settings, we have to search for the message list option, and there must appear the show the checkboxes option. If this is gray, then tap it and now will be enabled. For me it was already enabled, but it doesn't matter. If it's blue and you are tapping it, then you are disabling it. Now let's get back to the messages. Here we can see at every message left side is a rectangle. If you tap that message will be assigned. So if you tap the rectangle, the message will be assigned. If you tap it again, the assignment will be stopped. This helps to manage the messages separately. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye!